With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello guys, so our today's question is, a monochromatic point source of light O is seen through a rectangular glass block ABCD. Path of two rays in and outside the block are shown in figure. Justify your answer with the help of an appropriate diagram as shown in figure. So guys, in this question we have to basically tell that the lateral shift or shift is directly proportional to thickness of this slab, or we can say glass block. Now see guys, let us assume that divide this block into two equal parts. So let us assume that this is surface EF. So after refraction through this one surface EF, the ray will bend something like this. So this is the refraction through this ray. Let us assume that this point is O and this point is M and this point is N. So OM is the refraction of the OM is refraction ray or refractive ray from surface EF when thickness BF, which is less than this whole thickness BC. Now see guys, this is our extension of the incident ray. If we extend this incident ray, and if we assume that this shift is L1 and this shift is L2, so in case of BF thickness, when we are using this part of glass block only, then its shift is L1. But in case of BC thickness, this whole thickness, shift is L2. So from diagram we can clearly say that since L2 is greater than L1, because L2 distance, this much distance is greater than L1, L2 is greater than L1, and we can also say that BC is greater than BF. So from here we can clearly see that if the thickness is large, that is BC, then the shift will be also larger, that is L2. And if the thickness is small, that is BF, then shift will be also smaller, that is L1. So from here we can clearly say that shift is directly proportional to thickness of glass block. So this is our final answer. Thank you guys.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.